Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Sig P211 GTO Combat. I think it's called Combat, that's what I saw on their website, not 100% sure. This one is the state compliant, so I got a little bit better deal on it. I live in Ohio, we can have standard capacity magazines, but this one has 10 round mags. So I will definitely be getting more magazines before I do the test. I do plan on doing a 1,000 round review on this and seeing how she runs. As you can see here, it comes with the standard 10 round magazines, and the base plates are pretty decent. They're standard P320 mags from what I understand, and I'm throwing them. And I'll just be picking up a few more for the test because I'm not going to run 1,000 rounds with 10 round magazines. That would just take forever. Go ahead and drop this magazine out. Cock the hammer there. This, I'm not even joking, is probably one of the smoothest slides I've ever felt on a handgun in my entire life. It feels like it's on ball bearings. And I really don't. So far, there's nothing I don't like about it. It is optic ready. I believe it's optic cut for Sig's Romeo series of red dots, which I do not have, and I probably will not have a red dot on it for the test. It does come with blacked out rear sights and a fiber optic front sight. This does have a built-in compensator on the front, and I've always said that I would not buy another gun that I could not suppress, and here I go and bought this. I will take the gun and go ahead and set it aside, see what all else comes with the gun. Looks like it comes with all your standard SIG paperwork, Second Amendment Foundation paperwork. They want you to use Spec 1 lubricants on this, so we're not going to use that. We're probably going to use something else. My go-to has always been the Lucas. Comes with a sticker. It's got 1 free month of SIG Connect, whatever that is. It's got your instructions and whatnot. Comes with a copy of the target. And it comes with a little tool here for your fiber optic sights. You can change your fiber optic sights on it. Not sure what else it does. We'll figure that out. And I know that it also comes with the factory lock that everybody gets these new guns. And it comes with a 10-pound recoil spring. I do know that it has a 8-pound recoil spring installed in it from the factory. And again, I think that's why it is so soft and buttery smooth with the hammer cocked. I mean, this thing is just, it's butter. I mean, it's no other way to put it. It feels like it's got bearings in it. It's very, very, very smooth. I cannot wait to get it out to the range and shoot it. But this does come with an ambidextrous safety, and also comes with an ambidextrous slide lock, so you can drop it from both sides. The trigger on this is pretty good. It's supposed to be a 3.5 pound trigger, but we'll test it. You can see the brake on it there, and then there's the reset, which is very short, and then she brakes again. Let's go ahead and put a trigger pull gauge on it. See what we get. Let's hit that safety there. That broke a little bit over 4 pounds. Go ahead and cock her again. That was a little under 4 pounds. Now after the 1,000 round review, we'll get this back out, we'll clean it up really good, and we'll do a trigger pull test again to see if it's broken in. Maybe the trigger's gotten a little bit better. And again, she was right under 4 pounds with this Wheeler trigger pull gauge. It's not the most accurate, but it's accurate enough for what I need it for. Now I do plan on putting a light on this, an optic sometime down the road possibly. But just for the 1,000 round review, I want to just put a flashlight on it because I already have one, but I do not have a red dot, like I said. So we're just going to run it the way it is. And I'm going to try to pick up more magazines. This is Saturday, November 29th. I do plan on putting next weekend doing the 1,000 round review on it, so I should have the full review out by next Monday. And if you want to, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll check out that follow-up video and see how it goes. Like I said, I do want to put 1,000 rounds through it and see how she runs with 1,000 rounds. Hopefully without cleaning it. If I have to, I'll take some oil to the range and we'll lube it up at about 500 rounds. Give it a good once over and try to hit the other 500 rounds and see if we can go a full 1,000 rounds without cleaning it. I do plan on using 124 grain, a little bit warmer ammo, so I'm probably going to put the 10-pound recoil spring in it just for the test. Get this gun broken in really, really good. And if you want to see how that goes, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and let's take back our Second Amendment.